Welcome, Hydrohaven community. Today we're exploring the world of low-maintenance indoor plants that transform living spaces into vibrant green sanctuaries. Successful indoor plant cultivation requires understanding plant adaptability. The most resilient houseplants share critical characteristics: tolerance for inconsistent watering, capacity to thrive in varied light conditions, and remarkable forgiveness for occasional neglect. Sansevieria represents the pinnacle of indoor plant durability. These architectural plants tolerate extreme drought conditions and adapt seamlessly to sun and partial shade environments. Varieties like Sansevieria trifasciata can reach 1.5 meters, creating striking visual statements with minimal maintenance requirements. Dracaena species exemplify adaptable indoor vegetation. Performing optimally in bright light while tolerating shade, these plants maintain consistent growth across various room temperatures. The Dracaena marginata, with its distinctive dragon-like appearance, offers both aesthetic appeal and remarkable resilience. Peace lilies represent the quintessential low-maintenance houseplant. Thriving from bright to full shade conditions, these plants demonstrate remarkable adaptability to average room temperatures. Their elegant white flowers provide sophisticated botanical accents while requiring minimal intervention. Philodendron species showcase extraordinary environmental flexibility. Tolerating various light conditions and average room temperatures, these plants forgive occasional underwatering. Some varieties can extend up to 4 meters, creating lush tropical interior landscapes. Hedera, or ivy, stands out for its unparalleled adaptability. Unfazed by soil variations and capable of growing in diverse light conditions, these plants tolerate cooler temperatures while maintaining consistent growth patterns. Alright, so let's dive into the cultivation principles and, the challenges you might face. First off, it's essential to understand that every plant has its own unique needs. Some might thrive in low light, while others need a bit more sun. Now, watering is another crucial aspect. Overwatering and underwatering are common mistakes, so it's important to find that sweet spot for each plant. And don't forget about the soil. The right type of soil can make a big difference in how well your plant grows. Finally, let's talk about pests. They can be a real challenge, but with regular inspection and a few preventive measures, you can keep your plants healthy and thriving. Remember, a little bit of attention goes a long way in ensuring your indoor garden flourishes. No indoor plant survives complete darkness. Ensure some natural light reaches your plants. Prioritize proper drainage, use well-matched potting mediums, and observe individual plant responses to your specific environmental conditions. Avoid overwatering, the primary threat to indoor plant survival. Monitor plants for stress indicators like yellowing leaves or unusual drooping. Maintain consistent temperature and protect plants from direct heating or cooling sources. Start with 2 or 3 resilient species. Observe their interactions with your specific indoor environment. Each plant communicates its needs through subtle visual cues. Learning these signals transforms plant care from maintenance to meaningful connection. Botanical insight. Indoor plants transcend mere decoration. They're living systems that purify air, enhance psychological well-being, and create profound connections with natural ecosystems.